Hello, ladies and gentlemen in Facebook, YouTube land. Today, we're going to give a demonstration of the work we did to this legendary guitar owned by the legendary musician himself, Mike Pullman. You all know him. Oh, I guess I don't need this. I was trying to trick you. We replaced all of the bridge saddles because they were all rusted and we couldn't make adjustments to the height. We adjusted the neck angle, put a shim in here for that magic Strat neck angle that a lot of people don't know about. I'll let you try and figure that one out for yourself. And what else did I do? Neck off, label off, shim neck, strings. Soldered the ends of the plain strings because Dimarzio lately has a propensity to unwind. It's very annoying, and they actually sell strings now that are soldered here. Fix their own manufacturing defect. Set up the tremolo and the intonation, and I think that's about it. And it's very nicely intonated, I think. It's got a lot of nice clean sounds. You can see it comes right back in tune. Mike likes to play a little overdrive. Actually, a lot of overdrive. As close as I can get to Mike. He's an animal. That's it.